In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Printful. By the end, you'll have your Shopify store connected to Printful, so you can start using print on demand without managing inventory or shipping yourself. Make sure you're signed in to your Shopify admin on a desktop browser for the smoothest experience. Start by opening the Shopify website and logging into your store's admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, look for the Apps section and click it. This is where you manage any tools or integrations that extend your store's capabilities. On the Apps page, click All Recommended Apps. This takes you to a curated area where you can discover trusted apps. Next, click Shopify App Store. That opens the full marketplace where you can find and add official integrations. In the App Store, use the search bar and type Printful. Double-check the spelling, Printful, not Printiful, so you get the correct result. You're looking for the official Printful, print-on-demand app. Click on the app to open its page and take a moment to confirm it's the legitimate listing and to skim the description so you know what permissions it needs. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify will show you a permissions screen explaining what the app can access, like products and orders. Review those details, then confirm to continue. After you click Install, Shopify will redirect you to Printful. Here, you'll log into your existing Printful account. If you're already signed in on that browser, you might skip straight to the connection screen. Simply follow the prompts on your screen. These prompts typically guide you through authorizing the connection and confirming which Shopify store you're linking. Keep the process in the same browser tab, and if you're using a pop-up blocker, allow pop-ups temporarily so nothing gets blocked during authorization. Once you've completed the prompts, you'll see a confirmation that your Shopify store is connected to Printful. From this point forward, the two platforms can talk to each other, so when you create or sync products in Printful, they can appear in Shopify and orders can be routed for fulfillment. If anything doesn't load right away, give it a moment, then refresh the page. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're on the correct Shopify store if you manage more than one, and verify you're logging into the right Printful account. If the App Store layout looks a bit different, the steps are the same. Apps, All Recommended Apps, Shopify App Store, search for Printful, then install and follow the prompts. And that's it. Your integration is complete.